Hubble is a huge telescope that's floating around in space right now, taking really high-definition pictures trying to discover new things and places in our galaxy.
In 1990, the Hubble launched into space. It was proposed as an idea in the 1970s with a predicted launch in 1983, but due to technical issues, budget problems, and the Challenger disaster, it could only launch in April of 1990.
The Challenger disaster was the crash of a spaceship, and it was one of the main reasons that the Hubble didn't take off. But since the launch, it has been very successful. It travels 5 miles per second with its onboard diameter racking up to 2.72 billion miles.
That's about 5,700 trips to the moon and back. The Hubble's position outside the Earth's atmosphere allows it to take ridiculously sharp and high-quality pictures. The pictures are extremely beautiful.
But eventually, the Hubble will fall. And what are we going to do? Well, we're going to let it fall. But don't worry, a newer and shinier telescope will replace it.
NASA, which stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is the agency of the United States government that is responsible for the nation's civilian space program and for aeronautics and aerospace research.
Most U.S. space exploration efforts have been led by NASA, including the Apollo moon landing missions, the Skylab space station, and later the Space Shuttle. NASA science is focused on better understanding Earth through Earth observing system.
NASA is designing and building the capabilities to send humans to explore the solar system, working toward a goal of sending humans to a captured, relocated asteroid in the next decade and landing humans on Mars in the 2030s. They will build Orion with the capacity to take 4 astronauts on 3-week missions.
NASA is also making progress with the development of the Space Launch System, an advanced heavy-lift rocket that will provide an entirely new national capabilities for human explorations beyond Earth orbit. SLS takes advantage of heritage hardware while also using modern manufacturing processes such as friction stir welding and adaptive manufacturing.
NASA is developing the technologies to enable human and robotic exploration within our solar system and beyond.